2 milliliters in one container. I just use 1 milliliter in the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to get these levels right. Alright. Alright. Alright.
How would you describe Xander?
He's the hope for us all. He's going to be growing our renewable fuel industry. He's going to be starting it.
He builds things. You know, he doesn't just kind of think about it and do research like a lot of us.
All these green bottles of gunk, to a layperson, really could be the energy of tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, it definitely can be. So pretty much what happens is the algae utilizes sunlight and CO2. We're going to cut back the food, which slows down technically the metabolism of the algae, which makes them fat. And this makes the oil content go up, and then we squeeze the oil out of it using different types of methods, then turn the oil into biofuel and turn what's ever left over. We can ferment it and turn it into ethanol. As a kid, I had struggled through school. I was dyslexic, I was ADD. I had a very hard time in school. But as I progressed, I started finding myself getting more interested in science and like getting better at science. And that was the one thing that I could really do, mainly because I didn't have to read and I could do more hands-on. So pretty much this is oil that our class has collected from restaurants around town. Some of it from the community college, some of it actually comes from my dad's Italian restaurant. This is another thing we do in the alternative fuels class. Put our old restaurant oil in here, boil off any excess water. We go ahead, put the oil into this middle tank, and we add the, pretty much it's like a magic juice. We drain the glycerin off the bottom, and then what you're left with is biofuel.
You made this.
Yeah, this one took me about an hour to make. This is a biodiesel processor, it makes biodiesel. I like to be a teacher at first to kind of refine my skills. And to tell other people what I'm doing, to teach everything I've learned, and then hopefully, it sounds a little crazy, but I'd like to start a business with a couple other people my age when I'm older, and try to really create an industry. I'd like to see us be sustainable. For once in a long time in human history, we can really say we're living off the land.
Algae has made you the man you are today, Xander.
It's quite literally, it has made me the man I am today. My mom actually had a thyroid problem when she was trying to conceive, and she started taking these spirilla pills, which is a straight type of algae. It knocked her thyroid into hyperthyroid, and there I was. I came into being.